Mel from Sparkly Belly. This year, we've gone online for lessons in haflas, and I've enjoyed seeing some dancers dressed up really nicely even though they're joining classes from home. Well, maybe we should dress nicely when we join online classes since we might meet dancers from all over the world and it'll make these classes more fun. So in the next 2 tutorials, let's make this easy and fun dance practice outfit. In this tutorial, I'll share with you how to make this easy and loose boat neck crop top. Grab some fun fabric and let's get started. To make this practice outfit, you need jersey knit. If your fabric is 150 centimeters or 59 inches wide, 1 meter should be enough to make both the top and a hip scarf. Get some soft and stretchy jersey knit, matching color thread, and your t-shirt to use as a pattern. First, fold your fabric right sides together. Here, make sure the direction of stretch is perpendicular to the fold of the fabric. Place your t-shirt flat on the fabric. Now, we're going to trace this shirt here, but we'll make some adjustments so the finished top will be a bit loose-fitting and comfy. My t-shirt is somewhat fitted, so I'm going to mark 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch away from the side seams. If your shirt is very fitted, you can add more, about 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Also, this is a crew neck shirt, but I like a boat neck look for this top, so I'm marking 5 centimeters or 2 inches away from the end of the neckline here. Then, basically, I'm going to trace the rest of the shirt. Under the sleeves, connect the bottom lines to the side seams that you marked earlier with gentle curves and mark where the sleeve hole ends. I've shortened this shirt by about 10 centimeters or 4 inches so the finished top will become a crop top. This is completely optional, but if you do the same, don't make it too short because it's a loose top. If you're unsure, just make it full length and shorten it after you try it on. For the neckline, mark the depth of the neckline of the t-shirt and connect this point with the marks on the shoulder seams we made earlier. And cut while adding a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. At the bottom edge, add a 2 centimeter or 3/4 of an inch seam allowance. And here, add notches at the ends of the sleeves on both layers. A notch is basically a small snip shorter than the seam allowance. It acts as a mark. Then measure the length of this neckline. Cut a narrow strip that's 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches wide, and the length is double the neckline measurement plus 5 centimeters or 2 inches. That's it. Let's start sewing. Keep the panels right sides together and first do a zigzag stitch along one of the shoulder seams with a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Or if you have a serger, you can use it here. Then open up the panels so you see the right size. Take the long strip, fold it in half wrong sides together. And place the raw edges of the strip along the raw edge of the neckline opening right sides together. And do a zigzag stitch with a 5mm or 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Trim the excess strip and match up the panels right sides together again and do a zigzag stitch along the open shoulder seam. Here, flip the strip out and sew the strip ends together as well. Turn the strip to the wrong side of the top so the seam is right at the fold or slightly on the wrong side. And do a straight stitch right along the edge of the strip. And the neckline is done. The rest is super easy. First, place the panels right sides together and do a zigzag stitch along the side seams from the notches at the sleeves to the bottom. Then at the sleeves, fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the raw edge towards the wrong side once and do a zigzag stitch while catching the raw edge. This way the raw edges are encased in the stitches. And at the bottom, fold 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch from the raw edge towards the wrong side and do a zigzag stitch. And your dance practice top is complete! It's very comfortable and perfect for your dance outfit. And in my next tutorial, I'll show you how to make this matching hip scarf with cute ruffles. So make sure to subscribe to my channel or sign up for my newsletter at sparklybelly.com so you won't miss it. Hope you liked this DIY practice top tutorial, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dance sisters. It'll be so cute to make matching sets and wear them at your next online lesson. And if you want to make more belly dance costuming bits, sign up for my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101. You'll find lots of beginner-friendly projects there. Join at sparklybelly.com/free course. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!